Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix buffer settings issues in 2026. If your settings aren't saving, account preferences keep resetting, notifications aren't working, or you're unable to update your buffer settings, follow these simple steps to solve the problem. First, make sure you're signed in to the correct buffer account. If you manage multiple accounts or workspaces, double-check that you're editing the settings for the right one. Many users accidentally change settings in the wrong workspace. Next, after making any changes, click the *save** button and wait a few seconds before leaving the page. Closing the browser too quickly or refreshing the page immediately may prevent your changes from being saved properly. If your settings still won't save, refresh the page and sign out of buffer. Then sign back in and try updating your settings again. This refreshes your account session and often fixes temporary sync issues. If you're using buffer in a web browser, clear your browser's cache and cookies, then update your browser to the latest version. You can also try using another browser, such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Safari, or Firefox, to see if the problem is browser-related. If you're using the Buffer mobile app, make sure it's updated to the latest version. Restart the app or reinstall it if necessary, then check whether your settings are now saving correctly. Finally, if the issue continues, check whether buffer is experiencing a temporary server problem. If everything appears to be working but your settings still won't update, contact buffer support with your account details, browser or app version, and screenshots of the issue. That's how you can fix buffer settings issues in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe